Doesn't get much smoother than that. Nice day. I don't know what's up here with deck 15 here on the Paradise, but it just seems like a lot of wasted space up here. I could do something with this. I mean, they usually put chairs out, but I haven't ever seen them put out. But I could do a lot with this.
We're going to dinner.
And then
We're not real starving, but we'll go. It's formal night, so they'll have prime rib.
yep, and I'll get salmon again. And I said last night, if you saw the video, I said fish, and it was chicken. Crazy. Might have been something involved in that.
All right, then we'll
Yep.
let you see it.
All right, we'll bring you that menu right about
Now.
Terry started off with a cheese plate. I got cream of mushroom soup and a corn chowder.
Some pepper here.
Alright, Terry got the prime rib. I got the salmon. Terry got the fruit plate.
I was like, no, she wants.
I got the fruit plate.
Para que tú la bailes como bailo yo, muchacha bonita, mi linda cacheta, la rumba acá.
Good evening. It's that time. We're going night-night early tonight.
Because he stayed up to 4:30 in the morning.
6:30. She don't even have enough time.
No,
It was
that's what he told me.
6:30. Anyway, and I played all night on their money, so. Alright, so anyway, so Cozumel in the morning. I did not lose. I lost their money. Now I'm gonna lose my money.
Still money you lost.
True. But anyway, so back to March TV time. She hasn't even played yet. So anyway, so tomorrow morning Cozumel, we're gonna meet Max. He goes to Valor.
Max and Deborah.
Yep, and we're gonna meet them in Cozumel and go to El-Cid. We'll bring that to you. We're gonna go see Leo. Alright, so cheers. See you in the morning.
Esa cosita linda.